Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn grammar part, prepositional phrase. Now, what is prepositional phrase? These prepositions are formed by two-word or a three-word combination such as according to, along with, at the time of, because of, owing to, instead of, etc. Let's see some example for prepositions and their meanings. According to, the meaning is as stated by, on the authority of. They had given one example for you. According to the weatherman, we can expect more cold weather this week. Yes, second one, along with. Along with, you know the meaning, together with. So let's see one example. We have to give importance to physical education along with all the academic subjects. Third one, because of. Meaning is an account of. We stayed at home because of the bad weather. Next one, owing to. The same meaning, because of. Example, I can't accept your invitation owing to a previous engagement. Next one, instead of. Instead of meaning is in the place of or substituting for something. So I wish I were going to the party instead of my brother. Next one, in the event of. That means in case of. The match will be stopped in the event of heavy rain. Yes, now let's see some preposition with their meaning. And you want to match the meaning for that preposition. First one, due to. The meaning is because of. Number 2, except for. The meaning is with the exception of. Third one is with reference to. Yes, referring to. Fourth one is in spite of. Disregarding the difficulty. Fifth one is in addition to. Added to. Sixth one is in place of. Yes, as we told already, as a substitute for. Seventh one is regardless of. Irrespective of. Eighth one is for the sake of. In the interest of. Okay, now I think so you have understood this one and we have matched the correct meaning for the preposition. Let's enter into the next fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate preposition phrases from the given option. They had given options and you want to match the correct preposition according to the fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1. Everything falls to the ground dash Earth's gravitational pull. The answer is because of. Number 2. The trial was conducted dash the procedure of law. Answer is in accordance with. Number 3. There is a temple right dash my house. In front of my house. Number 4. As a dash of his hard work, he achieved the target. As a result of his hard work. Number 5. Failure is often the dash negligence. Yes, consequence of. Continuation, it means consequence. Number 6. Children are given toys dash sweets on Children's Day. Along with. So, in addition to. Number 7. The parents must be informed in case of any indiscipline of their wards. Yes. Next, 8th one. He didn't turn up dash his busy schedule. Due to his busy schedule. Number 9. Global warming is dash the greenhouse emission. Yes, an effect of. An effect of. 10th one. Dash several warnings he continued to swim. In spite of several warnings he continued to swim. Now let's pass on to the Edit the following passage by replacing the underlined incorrect words with correct prepositional phrases. Yes, they had given incorrect words and you want to write the correct prepositional phrases. Number 1. Janu is studying in class 10th in the event of the teachers. In the event of is wrong. We want to write according to the teachers. Next, number 2. She is a disciplined student in addition to her poverty. She. Here, in spite of her poverty is the correct. She is always neat. Many students like her in case of her simplicity. Yes, many students like her because of her simplicity. Next one. According to her studies, she also participates in sports. Not according to. In addition to her studies, she also participates in sports. Next one. She gets on with everyone in case of age and gender in the school. She gets on with everyone regardless of age and gender in the school. Next one. In opposition to taking leave, she ensures that she completes the work given before she goes to school next day. In the event of taking leave, she ensures that she completes the work given before she goes to school next day. It's okay, children. We had completed prepositional phrase and we'll see the next part in the next video. Okay. Thank you, children.